Mojo.
Hey everyone! So, the search continues for the grains of doom. We still cannot find them anywhere.
She means grains of paradise.
Grains of doom. I guess there's just nowhere to buy grains of paradise in the whole North Carolinian region. So,
I think we're gonna have to go to the interweb, and actually, we did find them online, so we are gonna have to order them online and wait the weeks that it takes to get. And so we'll be making those spices as soon as we can. But we've got something else fun planned today. What are we doing?
In the meantime, we're going to be making some skooma, and I'm really, really excited about this. So this is another infused vodka, much like the Water of Life that we recently made. But this one is more of a sweet treat. So everyone that knows the world of Elder Scrolls, you should definitely know what skooma is. It's actually the illegal drug that all the Khajiit are really, well, more than just Khajiit are addicted to it, but it's the
highly sought after, but highly illegal
treat. Skooma is so highly sought after, yet so illegal. Some entreprenizing innkeepers across Tamriel have cooked up their own version of a cordial that mimics the addictively sweet drink so loved by the Khajiit.
And again, this is from our Elder Scrolls cookbook,
yes,
that you guys know that we've been doing.
I am loving it so much too. But so this recipe is going to make one small bottle, and it doesn't specifically say how many people it will serve. Just one small bottle, and it is more of like a dessert drink. It says it pairs very well with like spiced root cakes, like carrot cakes, stuff like that, yogurt, ice cream. But all you're really going to need for this is 1 cup of sugar, some boiling water, 2 cups of vodka, 10 pitted and dried apricots, and you're going to dice those up, a pinch of ground cardamom, and just a dash of vanilla extract. So,
and unlike our previous one, the Water of Life, this one actually takes a little bit longer to make. So how long do we have to
This one we're actually going to have to let steep for at least 2 to 3 weeks. But it does actually note that the longer you leave it sitting, the stronger and more infused it's going to be.
We got all the ingredients. We found the apricots this morning at Food Lion.
We did. We went to Food Lion, stopped in the Food Lion real quick. But so I hate that we can't bring you the herb and seasoning blends today, the Skyrim spices as I've been calling them, but we will bring you some skooma. So
and the reason why we're not making any of the food items is because a lot of the items from the book calls for this grains of paradise.
Well, it's the seasonings that
the spices that we have to make, so we can't make any of the food items until we finally get all the spices that we need together. So as soon as we get that, we'll be making some food items from this book. But I think right now, let's get to making some skooma.
I'm so excited about this. Are you ready, babe?
Let's do it.
Perfect. We're going to be combining the sugar and boiling water in a small heat-proof container, and I'm going to be stirring it until the sugar has completely dissolved. We do these into fourths.
While we wait for the water to boil, we figured we'd take a shot of Water of Life.
Okay.
Plus 1 health point.
Then I'm going to pour it into a clean bottle. Then I'm going to add the remaining ingredients, and that would actually be our apricot, our cardamom, and our vanilla extract. And you just leave it to infuse in a dim area, shaking occasionally, allowing to steep for 2 to 3 weeks or up for a month for maximum flavor. And you do strain out the apricots before you serve it. So what'd you think?
That was super easy.
It really was, and it was really fast. I think that took us like 5 minutes.
And I think the longest part was just getting the water to boil.
Waiting for the water to boil.
Waiting for the water to boil. Now the sad part is we can't try it for 2 to 3 weeks.
We've got to wait a month.
We have the highly sought after, highly illegal.
Well, remember though, this is just a cordial of it. Don't you remember what the book says?
Yeah.
So highly sought after, yet so illegal, some entreprenizing innkeepers across Tamriel have cooked up their own version of the cordial that mimics the sweet, addictively sweet drink so loved by officials.
I can't wait to try it.
Me
Let's smell
I'm
it. Real
excited.
quick. Let's smell it.
Well, it smells like apricots, and I've always known. So I have this wonderful skooma candle here that was made by Warworks. If you guys have not checked her out, please do. Everything she makes is amazing, from her candles to her Bath and Body products. Amazing. And whenever you see skooma stuff, it's always peachy flavored. So when I saw in the book that it was apricot that you used instead of dried peaches or even peach slices, I was just kind of like, you know, like how else? But it's very peachy smelling. It's very sweet smelling.
Yeah,
but
it doesn't smell. This one doesn't smell like vodka at all.
Well,
unlike
we did
the water
put
life.
a bunch of sugar in it too. I smell the alcohol.
Do you?
You can't. You really can't.
I can feel the alcohol, but I don't smell it.
I smell it. This to me though,
time will tell.
yeah, I guess, yeah.
So we need to.
It's hard to explain, but you're not supposed to open it,
Yeah,
so that needs to be the last time.
We're gonna hide it back in Kara's little hiding place. And as always, we thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And thank you so much to everyone that has. It means so much to us. You know, we started this for fun, and it's brought a lot of happiness, I think, to our lives, us doing this.
Yeah. We have a lot of fun. And we'll see you on the next adventure.
Thank you. Bye. We love you. Say hey. Say, my name's Mojo. I live in the closet. I do sleep in the bed at night, but I come out to poop. I come out to eat, and that's about it. And I'm a beautiful boy.